Right now, sir, ayan, no, nandito tayo sa actual site din.
Yes.
No? And we will going to visit yung sa ongoing construction
Yes.
natin. So one thing that I love here, tara, pasyal tayo. Dito. One thing that I love here is meron tayong mga options, no, for a certain block, which is or as of the moment, no, as of August, no, block 3, no, na ongoing na yung mga constructions.
Yes.
So the earlier na maka-avail ka, pwede kang makapili na ongoing na kasi for Claremont, no, specifically yung buong Claremont, no, naka-land develop na siya, no. So nandito na yung mga road networks natin, yung electricity, the water. So kaya meron na tayong mga soon to be RFO.
Yes, actually.
No?
Meron tayong mga binibuild ngayon. Actually, on this area po, this is a block 3 actually. All of the lots on the block 3 stretch nito is ongoing po ang development nito ngayon. Tinatayo na po natin yung mga opal units.
Yes. And tara, let's have a closer look, no. When it comes naman sa materials and quality, kasi of course that's the most important thing, aside sa aesthetic, no, but rather yun nga, we want to have quality materials. If you will notice, no, buhos tayo, no, sir?
Yes, buhos tibay ang gamit natin. We're not using hollow blocks here dito sa Claremont.
Okay.